Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League save data corrupted error. So let's start. For the first step, you should go to this Windows upside arrow. After that, make sure to go to the Epic Games Launcher if you do find it. Right click on it and select exit. After that, go to this Windows Explorer. If you can't find it right here, just search for it in the Windows search bar and then select it. Now this will open, so make sure to go to Documents in the left menu. After that, search for My Games and select the folder. Once you do that, just select the Rocket League game folder. After that, select TA game and make sure to select the cache folder and delete it. Now after doing that, you just need to open the Epic Games Launcher once again. After that, go to the library in the left menu. In this search bar, search for Rocket League. Once you find it, you just need to select these three dots that will appear next to the name. If you do already have the game installed, you will see, of course, this manage option appearing. So select it. After that, you just need to click on verify files button, which is verify. By that, any missing or corrupted file will be safely fixed and recovered without the need to install the game from the start. And that's it. Find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.